YouTube is one of the best ways to get traffic for a local business. It is free, it is easy to rank on Google, and you can even run local ads for pennies. The one problem with YouTube is that you have to hope that the person watching the videos reads your phone number and then remembers it when it is time to make a call. Now, what if you could add a button right on your videos that, when clicked, automatically dials your business? How much would that increase the calls you get from your videos? With TubeCaller, you will have the ability to add click-to-call functionality to your videos. All you need to do is set up your channel properly, add the buttons to your videos, and use the magic code that it provides. In as little as 10 minutes, you could be increasing the call volume from your videos by 30% or more. Click the link below and see how it all works. Happy calling!